unboxing this toy, and so yeah, it's from the Trolls movie World Tour. Cooper, I think it was. Yes, that's Cooper. Anyway, I will be unboxing him. Oh crap. Anyway.
Ta-da!
Oh, and he'll be joining in, I guess. All right. So.
And surprising is, I hurt my lip.
Yeah, it's okay. It's getting better, like a lot better. You can barely see it. Anyway. Oh, this came with it. I don't exactly care about it because it's not actually something I need to really care about. This looks weird.
Actually, no, that's what you do with packaging.
Oh, you
find the
can
nearest
take off
trash
the
can.
hat.
You
Yeah.
find the nearest trash can, and you go. And then you... What is the trash can? What
Anyway.
the? Oh, okay, it lagged me.
And then, so it does that, and then you can take off the hat, and then...
And then you can do this. I'm the
Guys.
only one with like a broken lip.
Okay, yeah, but it takes off his hair. He looks like Coraline.
He looks like Yeet.
Stop!
No.
Alright, well, he's doing this. This is the figure, Cooper. To get his hat on him. And, he's like a giraffe kind of thing. So... You know I can see through the camera there.
They can't.
But they... Huh? Anyway, also, yeah, that's the figure. He's a bit, weird and what... And, yeah, that's what we did. And also, he's concerning me, and he has walked off. Alright, well, since he walked off, you know, that's the figure, you know, very cool. Untouchable hat. Yeah. This video wasn't that long, sadly, but I will be making more videos, or they're already uploaded, of longer videos. This was an unboxing, and he was supposed to be in it. He really wasn't, though. Bye, guys!